welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this fall inspired warm copper eye look featuring the new Faced Gingerbread Spice Palette. When this first came out, I wanted it right away because it's all shades that I naturally gravitate towards. It has the warm shades, it has the metallic shades, it has a hot pink shade. I mean, what more can you want? And the star of the show that's on my eyelid right now is this shade right here, which is Hot Toddy. It's a beautiful duochrome of hot pink and copper. I don't know if you can really see on the camera right now, but it's a gorgeous shade, and I wanted to really pretty much plan my whole look around that eyeshadow. Now stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a special surprise for my viewers. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm starting off with a clean, fresh face. And as always, I'm going to begin with my eye makeup. But first, I'm going to moisturize my lips with this Bite Beauty lip mask since I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick later on. In the winter, my lips get very chapped, and the ingredients in this lip mask are amazing because they really heal my lips and allow the liquid lipstick to be applied evenly and smoothly. First, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with my favorite Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color medium brown. I'm just going to be following the natural arch of my eyebrow and filling in any sparse spots. Now it's time to prime my eyelids. So I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the color Eden. And I'm brushing on a generous amount on my eyelid and blending it in with my finger. I'm also going to be adding a little bit to my lower lash line since we're going to be applying eyeshadow there as well. And now we're on to the star of the show, the Faced Gingerbread Spice Palette. How beautiful is this packaging? And all these eyeshadow shades are gorgeous! I can't wait to start playing with them. First, I'm using the color Gingerbread Latte as my transition shade, and I'm placing it right above my crease. Next, I'm taking a small blending brush and dipping into the color Gingerbread to use as my crease shade. I want this eye look to be pretty warm, so I'm going to keep building up the color in my crease. For some added definition, I'm going into the color Reindeer Paws with a small detail brush and placing it in my outer V and into the crease. Most of the eye brushes I'm using in this tutorial are from a Luxie brush set that I received in my November BoxyCharm, and they are so good. Now I'm mixing the shades Gingerbread and Spice is Nice to blend out that crease color we just placed and make sure there's no harsh lines anywhere. And now we're on to the shade that inspired this whole tutorial, Hot Toddy. I'm taking a flat shader brush and really densely packing in that color to make sure it is as pigmented as possible. Then I'm going to sweep it all over my lid, making sure I don't go past the crease because I really want to concentrate this color right on the lid. I don't know if it really translates well on camera, but this is a beautiful copper shade with a hot pink shift. It is very unique. I want to intensify my lid color even more, so I'm going back into the shade Hot Toddy with my flat shader brush, and I'm going to foil it using MAC Fix Plus. If you don't have MAC Fix Plus, you could always use eye drops, but I wouldn't use water because it won't give you the same finish. So I spray a couple spritzes right on my brush, and then I sweep it all over my lid. And as you can see, it creates this nice metallic effect and really makes the color pop. Then I'm going back into the shade Reindeer Paws with a small detail brush and really blending in that lid color with the crease. As you can see, I have a lot of fallout from blending in those darker eyeshadows. So I'm going to take some micellar water from the brand Simple with my Shiseido cotton pad. These are my favorite cotton pads because they are very soft and gentle on the skin. So I'm going to clean up around my eye, and then I'm going to go to the corner of my eye and sweep up. And this will make a sharp line and create that cat eye effect that I like to do. And now it's time to lift those lashes. So I'm taking my Tarte eyelash curler and I'm getting as close to my lash root as I possibly can and pumping it several times. If you want some added curl, I would heat up the eyelash curler with a hairdryer first because the heat creates a more intense curl. Next, I'm going to tightline my upper lash line with my favorite Marc Jacobs Highliner in the color Blacquer. This will create the illusion that your lashes are thicker than they really are. I want to create a small wing, so I'm taking my Stila black liquid eyeliner with the Microtip, and I'm drawing a thin line from the edge of my eye upwards. Then I draw a second line slanted back towards my lash line to create a little triangle. And then I line the rest of my eyelid and fill in that triangle to get that perfect wing. If you feel like you're having trouble getting that precise line, I suggest taking a piece of tape and placing it on the outer edge of the eye to serve as a guide so you can get that nice sharp winged eyeliner look. Next, I'm taking this Stila eye crayon in the shade Kitten and placing it right in the inner corners of my eye to bring some luminosity. I'm going to be blending it in with a small detail brush. Then I'm taking a small detail brush and going into the shade Spiced Eggnog to brighten the inner corners of my eyes even more. I love the combination of these two eyeshadows. They really bring a lot of light to my eyes. Now I'm going into the shade Sugar Daddy with a fluffy angled brush to highlight underneath my brow. Next, I'm going into the shades Gingerbread and Spice is Nice with a small detail brush and placing it right in my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Gumdrop and placing it in my lower lash line from the inner corner of my eye towards the middle of my eye and blending it in with that previous shade. To finish my lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Reindeer Paws and placing it just on the outer corner of my eye to complete that gradient of colors from dark to light that mimics what we have going on the upper eyelids. And then I just wipe off the excess. Now I'm taking this metallic copper eyeliner from Colourpop and placing it right in my waterline for a smoky effect. Now we're on to lashes, and I'm using my favorite mascara combination. First I'm using the Maybelline Waterprood Define-a-lash Volume Mascara, and unfortunately it is discontinued, but I suggest using any waterproof mascara first because it holds the curl better in your lashes. Then I layer on the Benefit Rollerlash Mascara, which provides a lot of volume and body to my lashes, and I'm telling you the combination of these two is magic. It really makes my lashes look long and fluttery all day long. Next, I'm going to use the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara to coat my bottom lashes. Since we're done with the eyes, now we're on to the face. And I'm switching up my foundation game and I'm using my new Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer in the shade Buttermilk. It comes with a big doe foot applicator, so I just swipe on the foundation all over my face and blend it in with my Tarte foundation brush. Then I'm going to bronze up my face with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the color Luminous Bronze Light. And I'm taking a Real Techniques fluffy brush to apply it. I'm going to place it right where the sun naturally hits your face, which is on your cheeks and along the hairline.
Darkness goes so bright. You once told me I'd have to dim my light. My mystic being held by gravity. I almost let you hold me back from everything. Oh, me and my shadow learn to let go.
I thought that a warm peachy blush would look great with this look, so I chose the Milani Fake Blush in the color Luminoso and applied it right above where we placed that bronzer. This is one of my favorite blushes because it has a glowy finish. For my highlight, I wanted to layer on two different highlighters. First, I'm taking the Cover FX glitter drops in the color Nova that I received in my November BoxyCharm. And I'm placing a couple of drops on the tops of my cheekbones and blending it in with my finger. Then I'm taking my new Dose of Colors highlighter in the color Fuego and applying it right above that liquid highlighter for some added shine.
You shot my conscience, flew up to the sky.
For lips, I chose the Ofra liquid lipstick in the color Americano. But first, I wiped off a little bit of that Bite Beauty lip mask so the liquid lipstick will adhere to my lips better. I chose this particular shade because it is a beautiful rusty dark red brown color that really complements the warm tones I have going on in my eyes. As a finishing touch, I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus and spraying it all over my face to set my makeup. Hey loves, thank you for watching the video all the way through, and as promised, I have a special surprise for you all. I'm giving away one of the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Palettes for you guys. This contest will last exactly 1 week from today, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Instagram page, S'more Beauty, and leave a comment in the video down below, and you'll be entered. I'll be announcing the winner next Sunday. After all that, it's more marshmallow. So I'm gonna get some hot chocolate. Oh my god! Hey loves, thank you for watching the video all the way to the end, and as promised, I have a special surprise for you all. I'm going to be giving away a Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Palette. This is new. It recently came out, and oh my goodness, look at those shades. When this first came out, I wanted to buy it right away because, whoop, don't drop the palette. Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Palette. When I first saw this eyeshadow, I just had, oh, my eyeshadow broke.